So 3 words about the associations to the EU project. Collaboration,
Money,
art. In principle, Bunker is a production house, and what we do basically is that we produce contemporary theater and dance. And what this means is that we produce performances, that we produce 2 festivals, and that we run a venue, which is a performing arts venue, an old power station. This is the core activity. Create to Connect is a project applied to the cultural program, cooperation project, collaboration of 13 European organizations, arts organizations, and Create to Connect kind of describes the aim, and we're using art to connect.
This Create to Connect is the first edition, and it's been going for 5 years now, and it ends end of August this year. But we reapplied with new project Create to Connect, Create to Impact, and we got the finances, and we are starting it 1st of September, and it will go on for 4 years.
EU financing has become such an important part of our survival that we really value it in a way that we can do many things that we wouldn't be able to do without the EU projects. And what EU money does for us in this way is that it supports these kinds of efforts that would elsewhere, otherwise we wouldn't be able to do.
It's worth stressing that the project goes beyond us. We were doing statistics the other day, and we found out that several directors of or participating organizations have changed, for example. But the projects go on. All the organizations that were in this project that's ending are in a new project as well. The collaboration is so strong that it goes on.
We try to connect with different scopes of human endeavor. It be sport, it be science, it be education. We're very active in the field of ecology, or at least we try to be. And all these things together create what we are. And European projects are just part of this, because collaborative work is a strong part of our identity and also a strong part of our methodology. So that's why collaborative work, it kind of seems a really good fit for us.
Yeah, but a lot of connection goes through food. So food is like a glue to all our projects and collaborations, I guess. Some new projects were born in kitchen as well, and each time we host a meeting, and that means like 20 people from all over the Europe. We host them here in our office, and we cook for them as well. And we cook every day.
Yes, because we eat every day. We like to eat every day.